Think farming is boring? Think again. These machines plant, harvest, and sometimes even milk in the weirdest, wildest ways imaginable. Let's check out the craziest, smartest, and most unexpected tech in the world of modern farming. 16 feet tall, 27 feet long. This thing looks more like a tank than a tractor. It pulls a 100-foot plow and weighs over 100,000 pounds when fully loaded. Bonus, it's got 2 Detroit diesel engines, because one wasn't enough. Forget one big tractor. This is a swarm of tiny robots. Each robot plants seeds with GPS precision, working day and night without a driver. Result, smaller, lighter, and more energy efficient than traditional machinery. Ever seen a tractor with the cab in the middle? That's the Xerion saddle track, designed for massive stability and power distribution. Why it's cool. Rotating cab, 500 plus horsepower, and it can carry its own fertilizer tank. This German monster lifts potatoes from the ground, cleans them, and loads them into its own tank, all in one go. Fun fact, it's basically a rolling potato factory on wheels. No more early morning milking. This robot lets cows walk in by themselves, scans their ID, and milks them automatically. Also, tracks health, milk quality, and cow moods. Yeah, cow moods. This tiny robot patrols rows of vegetables and zaps weeds without harming crops. Bonus, runs on solar power, uses AI for plant recognition, and looks like a Roomba's overachieving cousin. Built specifically for pig farms, this hydraulic device gently lifts pregnant sows for examination or treatment without stress. Why it matters. Less injury for animals and farmers. Weird, but genius. Looks like a regular tractor until you sit inside. Touchscreen displays, GPS auto steering, remote diagnostics, and built-in Wi-Fi. Basically a Tesla Model S, but it plows fields. This towering Brazilian beast spreads its hydraulic arms over rows of crops to spray them without crushing anything. Range, sprays 36 meters wide and adjusts height on the fly. Literally looks like a walking robot. This Belgian robot uses a soft gripper and 3D vision to pick up only ripe strawberries. Speed, 1 berry every 5 seconds, all day. No complaints. A solar-powered platform rolls through the field and precisely sprays individual weeds using AI vision. No blanket spraying, no wasted chemicals. Also, reduces herbicide use by 90%. Yes, even onions have their own giant machine. This thing digs, lifts, separates, and neatly stacks onions into crates. Bonus, it does all that while rolling at 6 miles per hour. Drones aren't just for YouTubers anymore. Farmers use them to scan crop health, map soil, and even spray pesticides. Tech inside: multispectral cameras, GPS autopilot, and even heat sensors. Why send your apples to a factory when the factory can come to you? These trucks process, bottle, and label juice right on the farm. Result: farm to bottle, literally. Old school sprinklers, outdated. These systems use underground sensors to water only where it's needed, saving water and boosting crop yields. Also controlled by an app, because, of course. Still with us? Good. Because these next 15 machines make farming look like a sci-fi movie set. Let's dig in. This isn't your average sprayer. It uses machine vision to detect weeds in real time and only sprays them, not the crops. Result: less herbicide, better yield, and the crops say thanks. Manual lettuce picking? Not anymore. This robotic harvester uses multiple arms and advanced vision to gently pick heads of lettuce. Bonus, it can scan and pick thousands in a day. No lunch break required. NASA may edit DNA in space, but farmers are doing it on Earth. CRISPR lets scientists modify crops to resist drought, pests, and disease without pesticides. It's not just science fiction. It's in the fields right now. This machine looks like it escaped a Transformers movie. It's a gigantic platform that changes tools mid-field. Seeder, sprayer, harvester, all in one. Also runs on electric drives and looks absolutely insane. Vineyards are steep, narrow, and tricky, so autonomous grape sprayers use LiDAR and GPS to navigate rows and apply chemicals without damaging vines. Precision within centimeters. No chemicals, no plows. These machines use lasers to zap weeds with pinpoint accuracy. Bonus, works day or night and never misses. Yes, even garlic gets special treatment. These machines align, space, and plant garlic cloves with robotic precision. Result? Thousands of cloves per hour without sore backs. Tractors that drive themselves using GPS and satellite corrections accurate to 2 centimeters. Also, farmers can control them from an iPad while drinking coffee. Open at sunrise, close at sunset. These smart doors protect chickens from predators with 0 human input. Some even scan chickens using RFID tags. These high-speed giants shoot seeds into the soil using air pressure instead of dropping them. Why, it's cool. Better spacing, faster planting, and less soil disturbance. Instead of spraying liquid, these machines release a fog of pesticides that float through crops, reaching every hidden leaf. Bonus, looks like a fog machine at a concert, but deadlier. This machine launches metal rods into weeds with compressed air, destroying roots without chemicals. Why? Because stabbing weeds with rockets is surprisingly effective. Farming without soil, without fields. These climate-controlled shelves grow herbs, lettuce, and berries using 90% less water and no sunlight. Futuristic enough for space, but it's in cities today. Freezing seeds in ultra-cold liquid nitrogen improves shelf life and disease resistance. Sounds extreme, but it works. Used by seed banks and high-efficiency crop labs. Cows wearing fitness trackers? Yep. These smart collars track steps, temperature, fertility, and even if the cow's feeling sick. Bonus, all data goes straight to the farmer's phone. From robotic strawberry pickers to driverless tractors and cow-friendly milking stations, farming has officially entered the future. Which of these machines blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and come back next weekend for more tech that changes everything. Until next time, stay curious and grow smarter.